So I'm going to get a CSV file on top of my desktop, and that is fill up and fill down. So this is an example which was designed for implementing these particular transformations where you have the exact requirement. Okay, I'm going to pull this data and see what we have in the data. As you can see, we have got region, product key, print price, total product cost, etc., etc. But in the very first column, you find there's a gap in the data, right? You see New York, which is product key. So ideally, you might be seeing a lot of people using this format where people don't want to fill New York in all the rows. Rather, they wanted to keep it in one row, and it is by default understood that this entire table till here is all about New York, right? This entire table from here till here is all about California. So they don't specifically mention it, some Excel files or however they save or store the data. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to kind of fill in the gap, right? You need to fill this data. So this fill transformation is very much handy in this case. For example, right now I've selected this region column, and let's say I wanted to fill this data, seeing that I want to fill down. By down, New York should go fill down values wherever you have the empty record. Got some empty values. So what you can do is I can select this call and I can select this transformation and click on down. So I've applied this transformation. Seems like nothing happened. Fill down. So this transformation is applied already, but I don't see anything happen. Why? Because there is some other issue in the data. Try to fix that issue. The issue could be there is some space or there is some empty space or empty blank record which you don't want to have. So for that, I need to click on this column. First thing you need to do is you need to kind of go to transform and just clean it up. Maybe first you can clean it up and then you can trim that. So I'm going again to the transformation. I'm going to trim it up. What this clean and trim does is it will remove the empty values there and it will make sure you do not have any spaces over there. Okay. And also I can see, can filter on this. You can see there's a lot of blank values. Select these blank values. You can see all those are blank values. So even though whenever you see the blank values are there, it is considered as an string, empty string. So it cannot identify an empty string. So fill will work only if you have a null values there. Let's say New York and then we have null values. We'll try to fill New York on all those null values. But empty string is considered as some string to the Power Query editor. So we need to make sure all these blanks are also replaced. We can also replace these blanks with, I'm going to replace this blank, replace values. I'm going to replace blanks with null. I can use simply null. I'm not going to add anything. I'm going to just make it empty like that. Click on OK. So what happened? Wherever there was blanks, automatically null has come. Okay. So I was able to successfully replace blanks with null. So now the data is more relevant so that the transformation that we are going to apply is going to work. So let us see. Let us click on fill again. So now I'm pretty much sure it should work. Click on down. You can see now automatically wherever there were null after New York, it has filled it there and it is stopped. Again, it was identified there is California. After California, there was null. Again, it filled all the California and it stopped there because there's a Texas. So like that, it has automatically done my job. And also we have a fill up. So in some situations, let me delete this transformation, fill down. In some situations, you want to fill it up. So let's say, yeah, this is not the right example though, but let's say, let us do fill up. What up? So fill up will give you a transformation. You can see it is filling up. So California was here. It filled all the Californias up. Texas was somewhere here. It filled all the Texas in the upper. So New York is here. It cannot fill up. So it stopped there. So you can see the empty nulls will be at the bottom because it started filling from here till up. So fill up will do. So you might not know, somebody would have some requirement where they are storing the data, maybe just like New York here, maybe they are storing the data here. So you wanted to fill it up sometime. So this transformation.